If you are looking for a smartphone that has premium features pero hindi ganun kamahal, then you might want to check out the product we're about to unbox this afternoon. This is the Samsung Galaxy A20, and you know what? You can get a chance to win this, and all you have to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is youtube.com/GadgetPilipinas, and also comment down below that you've already subscribed. And now, let's proceed with our unboxing. So ito yung box niya. As you can see, we haven't even opened this yet. And at this point, we are going to remove the seal. Don't forget guys, if the seal is broken, don't buy it. Alright, so ito na siya. Alright, so this is the inner box of the Galaxy A20. There is another box inside which includes the warranty, quick start guide, and that's pretty much everything. There is no included silicone case. So if you're expecting one, then you might just want to buy na lang sa mga favorite mo na suking tindahan. Okay. This is the Galaxy A20, as you can see right here. And before we get onto that, let's check out the other goodies inside. You also have here a earphone with 3.5 jack. You also get a Type-C cable right here. Pretty handy. There is also a SIM ejector tool right there. Can you see it? Yeah. Plus a adaptive fast charger included inside the box. Alright, and now let's go and check out the phone itself. Wow, okay, so tanggalin natin yung pinaka plastic cover niya. So as you can see, the one that we've got right here, it is like jet black. Medyo smudge magnet siya. But hindi naman siya deal breaker. But yung nga lang, you really have to invest on getting a screen protector and case. Because kung ayaw mong magasgas ang iyong smartphone, then, well, that is the best thing that you should do and buy on the first day. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the screen. The screen, it is a 6.4 HD plus screen with 1560 by 720p resolution. So for those of you who are quite concerned about that, it offers HD plus Super AMOLED display. So if you're expecting that you can play at 1080p or play videos at 1080p, you cannot do that with this device. Hence the price. It's just 10,000 pesos, and then you get a 720p display. Okay? The pixel per inch in terms of density is 268, so not bad, not bad actually, to be honest with you. Right. It features that Infinity V display, so as you can see right there, so Infinity V, so meron siyang notch dun sa may gitna sa taas. If you're a fan of the notch, then well, it is a little minimalistic this time. Hindi siya ganun kapangit tingnan, to be honest with you. I like it. And just above the notch, which houses the 8 megapixel front-facing camera, is the earpiece. Okay. Screen to body ratio is not that bad, to be honest with you. I'm not sure if probably this is about 94%. I have to check that out. Probably you're already seeing it right now on the screen. And on-screen buttons, there's no physical button. And at the bottom of the device, you have the Type-C port, and then you also have the 3.5 port. You have the microphone right there and the speaker grills. At the top, you have another microphone for noise cancellations. There are two microphones. Some smartphones, they have three microphones for for maximizing noise detection. And on the right side, you have the sleep and wake button and the volume rockers. So madali naman siyang hawakan, as you can see right here. Pwede ko siyang hawakan. Very easy to reach yung mga buttons. There's no Bixby button because they're not really keen on putting that feature, hardware feature on their budget smartphones, but that's something for you to be concerned of. There is no Bixby button here. Hindi naman siya flagship level. Only the ones with the S10 Plus and also the the upcoming Note 10 would probably have that feature, hardware feature. Okay. So there is at the back, you have here the 12 megapixel or 30 megapixel rather camera plus 5 megapixel. So dalawa siya, 13 and 5. And you get a flash at the bottom of it. The aperture of the first camera is 1.9 and the aperture of the other one, the 5 megapixel, is 2.2. By the way, before I forget, the aperture of the front-facing camera is 2.0. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, medyo ang dami ng smudges ng smartphone. And if you're a little concerned with that, that is something for you to be aware of. Smudge magnet tong telepono to. So right off the bat, the only things that I'm really concerned of is of course medyo smudge magnet siya. Plus, I would say that the screen may be a little limited because it's only HD+. If this were more than 10,000 pesos, mas concerning siya. But it's not. It is less than 10,000 pesos and I can get that. To compensate that this one offers Super AMOLED display in the mix. So, ang expectation is that patingkad yung kulay, maganda yung contrast level, and for a smartphone that offers those kinds of qualities in terms of display is something that I'm really looking forward to. Right? For a 10,000 smartphone, pwede na siya. I think other than those two things that I mentioned, yun lang naman yung concerns ko, but those concerns are not really concerns because kumbaga nasa wishlist ko lang naman siya. Another thing that I probably would have wanted to see here is the inclusion of a case. Sana maraming case na available sa mga suki nating tindahan kasi kung wala yun, di ba, medyo mahirap magbitbit ang telepono na lalo na kapag ganito haganda, no? Pag nalaglag mo, basag agad. So again, day one purchase, guys, you have to buy a case for this one. And I'm pretty sure that there is one in the market. Marami dyan, Pigeon, maraming brands na available. Okay. Ooh, name drop or product drop. Not sponsored, anyway. So this one, I mean, the UI is pretty much the same with our UI of the Galaxy S10 Plus. They're kind of really unifying the UI across all their products. There are also a couple of security features included in the phone. You have face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, PIN, password. But for now, let's go and try out face recognition. Let's see how good this is. Yep. Pattern. Are you wearing glasses right now? No. Oh, registering your face. Registering is about 2 to 3 seconds. Not bad. And all done. So everything that you need is done in less than 5 minutes. And look at that. Gorgeous display, Super AMOLED. Wow. So as you can see right here, there's plenty of screen real estate because of that Infinity V notch display. Hindi siya ganun ka lawak. So there's enough room for your media consumption. And let's take a look at the camera. Tingnan natin yung yan, ito yung selfie. Wow, ang tingkad ha. This is This is their 8 megapixel front camera with the f2.0 aperture. There's live focus, so yung kalalabasan ng bokeh sa likod should replicate what an f2.0 can do, yung bokeh niya. Oh, see that? See that? Oh, wow. Okay, cool. My face. Needs a lot of derma time. Not bad. You can even change the background effect if you want to. Pretty similar execution with their other smartphones. You can even blur it further if you want. And let us see how accurate the blur effect would be. Tingnan natin yung edges. Yeah. So that's one way for you to really see how good the smartphone is and their camera, just by checking out the edges. when applying this kind of effect. And now let's take a photo of using the rear camera. Let's go ahead and check it out. There you go. And let's do one more, this time with live focus. And let's go near the subject. It takes time for the focus to do. Medyo may konting tagal, unlike the flagship smartphones, and that's understandable because this one is not flagship in any way. This is a budget smartphone, less than 10,000 pesos. So I think other than that, this one looks pretty impressive for a budget smartphone. The screen is fantastic. The level of contrast and detail, the saturation are on point. Cameras are actually decent, if I may say, for its price. In terms of other features, security, everything is in here. There's facial recognition. There is, of course, fingerprint sensor, fingerprint security, also here on this smartphone, and everything that you need, you're asking for, everything is also in here. So that has been our quick unboxing and first impressions of this smartphone. I'm looking forward to reviewing this. We will be reviewing this on our website pretty soon. We will be posting this as well on our website, and we're looking forward to your comments about this phone. And by the way, again, let me just remind you that you can get a chance to win a Samsung Galaxy A20, and all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, YouTube channel, and also let us know in the comment section that you've already subscribed. Again, this has been Gian, and see you soon on our next video.